Children, in last video, we discussed about the classification of matter, what is meant by an atomic mass and molecular mass, and some of the problems also we calculated there. Okay, in this video, we are going to study about what is meant by a mole concept. For this, let us take an example, SI unit. We all know what is meant by SI, that is International System of Unit. Here some of the example I can say this is only for assuming purpose. So now length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram and time in second. Let us tell, if I tell I am going to buy 1 meter of cloth, I am going to buy 1 kilogram of apple, half a kilogram of potato. Now the time is 10 seconds left. So if I tell like this, you can understand the meaning of it, right? Like that, this mole is nothing but it is used to represent the amount of the substance. Okay. Now we'll consider 1 dozen will be equal to 12 number. This we know well. For example, if I tell I am having 1 dozen of pen, 1 dozen of pencil. So which means I am having 12 pen, 12 pencil. Like that, 1 dozen of ball, 1 dozen of apple. So which means it will be equal to 12 number. Like that, this mole will also be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So now 1 mole will be equal to this number. So this number is said to be an Avogadro number. How 1 dozen is equal to 12 number? Like that, 1 mole will be equal to Avogadro number. So now if I tell 1 mole of hydrogen, which means it will be equal to Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms. Like that, 1 mole of carbon 12 atom will be equal to Avogadro number of carbon 12 atoms. So now 1 mole of water molecule will be equal to Avogadro number of water molecules. So now 1 mole of sodium, Na plus is said to be sodium ion, that will be equal to Avogadro number of sodium ions. So now this Avogadro number was proposed by an Italian physicist. His name Lorenzo Romano Amedeo Avogadro by the year 1776 to 1856. So he is said to be Avogadro. What he said is that equal volume of all gases under same temperature and pressure will contain equal number of molecules. So that is said to be, that was proposed by Avogadro, and this Avogadro won't have any unit. Okay, that is the mole concept won't have any unit. So now let us take one example. Carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Now this equation will be tell in terms of Avogadro, that is in terms of mole concept, we can tell 1 mole of carbon react with 1 mole of oxygen to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Suppose if it have 2 carbon, so now 2 mole of carbon, okay, react with oxygen. Like that you have to tell. Suppose here 4, if I take 4 oxygen, so now 1 mole of carbon react with 4 oxygen. Okay, 4 mole of oxygen. Like that you have to say. So now we'll move on to molar mass. So this molar mass is nothing but it is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. So this molar mass will be expressed in terms of gram per mole or gram mole power -1. Example, the molar mass of hydrogen will be 1.008, that we seen in the periodic table. So now molar volume. So molar volume means the volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance in the gaseous state at a given temperature and pressure. So that is said to be a molar volume. So this table is very important. See here, the conditions are given for 273 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure. So this will be the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gaseous substance. See here, this table is very important for solving problems. Okay. So these three values, just by heart yourself. Okay. And another important thing, as I already told you, put separate note for chemistry assignment. Here after this video, I have given some of the problems for practice. Okay. So definitely everyone should solve the problem. So you have to write all those question in the assignment note and then solve the problem under steps as we discussed in the previous video, right? The molar mass, how I write in the simplified form, like that you have to solve it. So simply you won't write the answer directly, no answer you should write, you have to write in steps. Okay, so by this I will end up this video session. Okay, thank you all.